All right, for your assignment today, for Letter Knowledge Lesson 3, says today you learn strategies to spell, read, and write words. We practice sounding words out and listening for the first, last, and middle sounds. We're going to use the strategies we learned to answer the questions below. So the first thing you're going to do is type your first and last name on the line, and then I am going to show you a word, and the word is sit. I just wanted to show it to you really quickly because I know some friends need a visual reminder or some visual help. That is the word sit, like I will sit in my chair. Okay, right now I'm sitting in my chair, I'm on my bottom. So this is the word sit. I want you guys to think, what letter comes first? What is the first sound you hear? Say it really slow. It. That first sound says, what letter says? So you're going to select which letter you hear first in the word sit. What letter comes next or is in the middle of the word sit? It. What letter was in the middle? And what letter do you hear last in the word? It. It. Okay, so one more time, here's the word sit. What letter or sound do you hear in the beginning, the middle, and the end? Say it out loud really slow. Listen to the sounds you hear and select the letters that are first, in the middle, and last.